Hi, well I'm Steve and I am mature biker, and today the video I'm doing is actually all about my camera setup. So I have a Drift Ghost XL and I've been having a lot of issues with wind noise. Now my previous helmet, and I didn't have it very long, I've just sent it back, was a K-Berg Duke 2 Legend. So it was a modular helmet. It's quite a noisy helmet. I like the helmet, absolute lovely helmet, and really comfortable as well, but very noisy. So I sent it back. I've now got a Nolan N87, so it's a proper full face helmet. I've fitted my Drift Ghost on the helmet. I've also fitted a Bluetooth communicator set on my helmet. It has built-in FM radio, it connects my phone for music, etc. So at the moment I'm actually listening to Radio 2 while riding along, and it's actually really good, very clear. I can't fault this Bluetooth kit at all, not one little bit. So I'm quite happy with that because I'm able to use it, listen to the radio going to work. So the bit of road I'm going to go down now, it's a 60-mile-an-hour speed limit. I've chosen this piece of road especially for this, just to see what wind noise I get. So a little bit more about the bike I've actually got, or rather scooter. I've gone back to Vespa scooters now. This 2014 Vespa Primavera. It's only a 125. I do have my full bike license, but I just wanted to go back to a Vespa. I love it to bits, and I'm actually averaging about 88 miles to the gallon. That's not too bad. But at the moment I'm travelling at 55 miles an hour. The wind noise is not as bad as my other helmet was, so hopefully this will work out a little bit better. The helmet I got, the Nolan N87, I find it's very tight when you put it on your head, but once you've got it on your head, it's actually not too bad. It's pretty comfortable actually. So we'll just see how this works out when I get back. I've got the day off work today, I'm back at work tomorrow, so I thought I'll just try everything out now while I've got a chance. I don't know if you can actually hear the radio in the background, but it's actually working very well. I can hear it very clear. So the good thing with these Bluetooth kits as well is it would also act as a hands-free on your phone. So I actually have it paired to my phone. My phone's in my pocket out of the way, but if anyone does call me, I can just use it hands-free. You can also use it to listen to music you've got on your phone, or if you're using the sat-nav on your phone, instead of having your phone mounted on the bike, you could just leave it in your pocket and just listen to the directions from your sat-nav. Well, I hope this has turned out okay. Thank you very much for joining me once again. Don't forget, if you do enjoy my videos, click the like button and feel free to subscribe, because there'll be lots more videos coming soon. Thanks very much everyone. Bye.